We have the siding in place, and we're going to be putting this up today. So I got about half the boards, maybe a little bit more than half up here. We're going to do the first layer, and then we're going to come back over and do the board on top of those boards. Camera fell over. That's okay though. You guys get the gist of it. So I just put a couple nails in each for now, and I went ahead and got the whole side done. Now what we're going to do is going to go ahead and put these in between here to look like that, basically. So it's a board on board is what I think is what you call it. It's like board and batten, but you don't have to cut them down in smaller strips, which is just saves me a lot of time. That's why I did it this way. All right, we got all the boards set in place, and we're going to start slapping them up. I got some 3-inch screws, and they're going to go through all that nice and easy. Now I'm going to do like what I can reach first, and then come back with the rolling staircase or ladder and get the top 2 rungs. So I'm just going to do the bottom 2 for now, and then come back. I'm using my jig. I just took off the block piece that held it on the studs or the purlins. So took that piece off right here, and now I'm just going to use, this is the same setup for the spacing. The first one I got to get on without any spacing, so I got to level it, get it all ready. The first one's always a pain in the ass. You know, it's a little bit harder because you gotta make sure you're on there right and level and all that good stuff. And it can be a pain to get it perfect. Show you guys what it's like up close. How I'm doing this. That easy. I'll come back with a string, get the next 2 rungs, at least the middle one, top middle one, and then so I get a straight line and not over there missing stuff. I got it done. I messed up on a couple things, which is fine. This is the back side. I did this side first so I could learn, you know, what to do and what not to do. I still have to go up and put screws in the top, and then the you know, the top second bar purlin. So I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, I like the color a lot, and the bottom still needs to be leveled out or not. I don't know. I'm gonna put a raised bed here anyways. It'll probably cover it up. More than likely I'll end up painting that bottom black if it's touching dirt. You know, painting with some of that stuff. The end here, I'm gonna have to get a trim piece and trim it up. You know, I'm not an expert at carpentry, so you know, I don't know how to side a barn properly, but I think this looks pretty good. What do you guys think? And also, if you guys you saw any mistakes I made, or you got any tips, I'm open ears. I'd like to do this easier if I can. I'm gonna have to get up here with that little ladder staircase all the way to about here, and then from there I'm gonna have to get a ladder and go up there and do it. I'm gonna have to bust a string line for this second bar, just so I don't miss, because I'll probably end up missing a lot if I don't do that, which will be pretty easy. Let me show you guys what the inside is and what I plan on doing here. Inside looks good too. That's, you know, lights hitting that side, and then we get to it where it's pretty dark. We got some light coming in from up there hitting it, which there's not gonna be a lot of light in this, but that's okay. I have lights. I have power up here. I'll put lights in here. But it looks pretty good on the inside. And plan is to put a wall up about here, about 5 feet, and then put a wall in the center, and then put another wall 5 feet from that side, and have 2 extra chicken coops. I'm gonna put doors, a door there, a door here, and a door over there. And I was gonna build them, but I was looking up here and I happen to have 3 doors, 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna use those. I'll just use, I'll make them look okay, but more than likely, I'll probably just throw them up as is. I'll probably even use the same hinges. I don't really care. But we're gonna secure this up, make it look good. I'm gonna end up blocking this off so I have no more free range. I'm not gonna deal with that anymore. And I'll just have I'll use this coop for little chicks, because this is a really secure coop. Whereas this one's gonna be secure. I gotta fix all this. I gotta put wire up here. I'm gonna let them use this to sit on, to roost on. But I'm gonna have wire on that pony wall. It'll be a lot easier to do wire there than do wire on the ceiling. And then I'll take this tarp down, so it'll look a lot better. The reason the tarp's here is to cut down on wind going into the coops. But if I have this wall up, I don't have to worry about that. What do you guys think?